Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn easy white sauce penne pasta recipe. So first in a pan take around 2 cups of water, add some salt and oil. So this is basically so that your pasta doesn't stick to one another. So once the water starts to boil, add your pasta. So for 2 cups of water I've added around 1.5 cup of pasta. Now close and cook for till the pasta is around 75% cooked. Now in another pan, take around 1 dollop of butter. To this add around 2 tablespoons of maida or wheat flour. So you can use either of it. Basically this is useful to thicken your sauce. So mix well and then add around 500 ml of milk. Mix it well and let it boil for around 5 to 10 minutes. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. You can also use finely chopped garlic. I am adding it after adding milk so that the flavor of the garlic is well appreciated. To this add the oregano and some chili flakes. So once you can see the sauce is already starting to thicken. So at this stage you can add some salt and add 1 block of cheese. This is again optional. So your sauce is almost done. Now in another pan take around 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. I have taken oil here. To this add finely chopped onion. I have taken 1 finely chopped onion. So you don't have to, and add around 2 finely chopped green chili and saute them. You don't have to brown the onion. Saute till the onions are just soft. Now add the chopped carrots. So again carrots, these are all optional. You can add all of these veggies or any one of it also. So carrot takes a little longer time to cook, so I am adding it initially. You should saute them until the carrots are soft. To fasten this process you can add the little salt. So once they are, you can see that they have become slightly soft, I am going to add the capsicum and the sweet corn. So capsicum, sweet corn and the mushrooms, these are the vegetables which cook really fast. So I'll be adding it later. Mushroom I'll be adding at the end. So again saute them. So in the meanwhile, let's look at the pasta. So they are soft and almost 75% done. Add the mushrooms at the last. Saute them and then close it and cook for around under low flame for around 5 to 10 minutes until the veggies are soft. You don't have to overcook them. Again so it will be boiled along with the pasta sauce, so you don't have to completely cook them. Now it is time to assemble. So the pasta, I have taken the cooked pasta, to which I am adding the sauce. Add the cooked veggies. Give it all a good mix. Now to the leftover sauce I have added around 200 ml of milk, and which I will be adding again into the pasta. Mix them and close and cook until it is done, and in low flame for around 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see it is pasta is well cooked and the veggies are done. So your white sauce penne pasta is ready. You can add some chili flakes and oregano, and your pasta is ready to be served. Wasn't it easy? If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.